Today is the 7th of the March and we are going now to unbox our new pack of rootstocks for pears, apples and plums. Okay, this is our new pack and that is arrived from the Walcot plant nursery. I'm going to use my gardening knife to open it. I've opened it now and let's see what is inside. Ooh, it has a lots of lovely straw. Susan, it has a straw.
So that's it for the hen.
Yeah.
I'll take that for my trip.
Yeah, that means they will be protected from frost. Okay, here, look at this. I'm removing this lovely straw. Not as much as Keeper's nursery, but this rootstock anyway. They are small, quite small. So, let me see. Okay. Okay, these are the rootstock for Quince A. There are 10. They look good. They have some soil and some roots. And as you can see, they are good. I'm going to open it and heal it today. This is the rootstock for MM106. That's apple rootstock. And I think they should have sent me. I ordered some Julian A rootstock for plums. They have not sent me, or they may come in a separate package. Well, we will see. St. Julian A rootstock also 10 here. So these are going to be healed now.